A radioactive substance decays continuously at a rate of 4% per year. So let's say that we have A as the amount of the substance. dA dt is going to be negative 0.04 times A. If 4 kilograms of the substance are produced, what mass will remain after 20 years? Well, we know that the solution to this would be 4e to the negative 0.04 t, where the 4 is the initial amount of 4 kilos. Just think t is 0, gives you e to the 0 here. And we know that the solution to this type of differential equation is of this form. So what mass will remain after 20 years? Well, that's just a case of t equals 20. So that's going to be 4 times e to the negative 0.04 times 20. And we just need to calculate that. So we have 4 multiplied by e to the negative 0.04 times 20, and that's 1.80 kilograms, correct to 2 decimal places.